Hello everybody, Florida investor. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow friends and family members. Let's get into the video. Today is Monday, June 9th, 2025. It is pre-market time, as this has been recorded before 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now, what you guys are seeing here is Apple. I'm not sure if I have talked about Apple before recently, but if not, here's the deal with Apple today. Today, Apple is scheduled to do their developers, basically, if they do every year like a developers convention. That's where they release new products, or at least news of new products, new technologies they're developing, etc. Now, let's take a look at Apple. Apple 52-week low is 169, 52-week high is 260, sitting at 204 right now. So we could say closer to the 52-week low. Now, if we look at, first of all, let's talk about the developers updates and all that stuff. And let's see. So it will kick off at, the meeting will kick off at 1 p.m. And it seems like the focus is going to be AI, and specifically monetization period of the Apple ecosystem, as the company will continue to lay the foundation through its new operating system updates across Mac, iOS, and iPad. So that will be the 26th update, basically, that they're going to be releasing. Now, personally, I think Apple, it's actually at a sell right now. So it is at a good opportunity, buying opportunity. Basically, since it's not nowhere near the 52-week high. So if we go back, let's see what other people have to say about Apple. So it's down 21%. Should you buy the dip on Apple? Well, some time ago, multi-billionaires like Warren Buffett, for example, he was very, very bullish on Apple until probably about a year ago, where he basically started selling the majority of his shares, which it makes sense. I mean, especially if you're up so much. I mean, we're talking about billions of dollars invested in Apple. It makes sense to take profit and kind of, put your money into other stocks that are not as high. They don't have a high valuation, basically. Now, we all know that Apple is not going anywhere. Apple is actually bringing in about $24.8 billion in a quarter, in the last quarter that ended in March 29th. So obviously it's making tons of money. And you also have basically Apple fanboys as well. So you got people that no matter what, they're going to continue to support Apple, buy their product, etc. So that's going to ensure that they continue to make money how they are. Now, according to their analyst ratings, we're looking at 50 analyst ratings. 62% say a buy, 30% say hold, and 8% say sell, which is kind of interesting. Now, if we look at the Robinhood investors, which are pretty much myself, you guys can see here that the majority are actually selling. Hedge funds are slowly increasing their positions, especially on the last quarter of 2025. And inside, well, actually, let's go back. So the buying is continuing to increase again for the hedge funds. And as you guys can see there, basically 27.9 shares were actually purchased by hedge funds versus quarter 4. Now, if we look at insiders kind of, they haven't done a whole lot. And they actually, one particular insider sold 4.5 share, 4,500 shares. There you go. In the last 3 months. So sometimes, yeah, there could be something that that actually, I don't want to say concerning, but basically sometimes people, especially insiders, they know, again, they may be taking profit, just like I said, just like Warren Buffett. But nevertheless, ownership is exemplary, meaning that they have been running the company well. Management, the fair value for the stock is $200 and it's sitting at 204, and so it's pretty much at par to where it should be. That's why I'm not concerned. It all depends on how the market will perceive the news that they will release today at 1 p.m. roughly. So keep an eye open for Apple today as a potential buying opportunity, or maybe selling. I mean, this is not financial advice, just bringing this to you guys so that way you can make a informed decision. But if you look at the year to date, Apple is down 17%. For the year is up 5%. 5 years is up 147%. And of course, for the lifetime of the stock is up at a ridiculous 22,000%, almost 22,600%. Now, nevertheless, basically, you guys are gonna see that, or her probably, that past performance doesn't guarantee future performance, but it's something that you can use to help you make decisions. But I wanted to point this out to you guys. Keep Apple today on your radar. As of 1 p.m., they're going to release some news. And other than that, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and I'll see you on the next one.